Funky D, everybody. Welcome back once again to Funky D's News Time. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, first of all, make I use this little opportunity when I get to say thank you to everyone when they already subscribe to my channel. And for those of you now, whenever subscribe, make una begin to subscribe. I say make una comment, and at the same time, make una not forget to press that bell sign when they so that anytime when I upload, una will get my video. All right, thank you all once again. Today, all of us don't see waiting happen in Abuja today. Now the matter I want just go straight into, because this kind of a thing when happen today and something when never happened before. When I never even see before happening. Say somebody, people they protest, make them release someone when they detain unlawfully. And then you go see some other group bounce on those people when they do their peaceful protest. Yes. Sowore team, Sowore supporters, people that cares about Sowore. Then go this place, the office of these people when we see, now them be the Human Rights Commission, go protest. As they do their peaceful protest, ladies and gentlemen, so other group of thugs, paid, sponsored, fully sponsored by APC regime, fully sponsored by Buhari and his cabals, fully sponsored by AGF, Malami. So that for them to claim, say, they still get supporters when they support them. Well, we know say una not get any supporters. The whole world knows say these people are paid protesters. When Buhari government pay to go disrupt a peaceful protest, when they demand for the release of Comrade Omoyele Sowore. How in a heck somebody go come out with cutlass, with stick, they beat peaceful protesters? This one, ladies and gentlemen, they not be police again, no. This one are people, thugs. When they don't know their left from their right, all of una go stay with the Fulanis. All of una when they commit all these crimes. They're not fit given electricity. They're not fit given nothing. They're not fit given a good educational system. Nothing. The Fulanis when they are, because those people when they do that thing, all of them, majority of them are Fulanis, ladies and gentlemen. They are people, not their own problem. The Fulani government, people when don't rule in that come from that Fulani land or Fulani territory. All these people, now the problem of Nigeria, ladies and gentlemen. Now them be the problem where we get. And these talks, now those people they're supposed to go fight. Now those people they're supposed to go ask, say, why can't be say Nigeria be like this? How long our people when be the Fulani people don't rule this country? And at the same time, we still remain the way when we did today. Because Fulani territory are the poorest territory in that Nigeria. Upon saying that there are people hold on to power, even up to today when Funky D speak, now they still hold on to power. So how in the heck people like all this talk then go collect money from government, go disrupt a peaceful protest? People when they request, say make them release Omoyele Sowore, when on a hold over going to 6 months now, this man still did there. In mama day home, they cry. Say if in son not come out, now be say she don't do any Christmas, and which is true. I just pity Sowore mama. I sympathize with the woman. ladies and gentlemen, the act, the impunity when they talks when they do today. I never see this kind of thing before. In fact, they bounce on Deji. Even one use something that I don't know, maybe they already break the guy head. Can you imagine? And again, now target of the government. Because now waiting the DSS, the Buhari's regime, the Fulani Caliphate, the Fulani Kabas, all them, now the whole thing where them plan, but I made them go attack Deji. Because they know saying that Deji, they lead them. For the protest. For the peaceful protest. And they just did there, they shout, say, they just, I mean. I say the description when Nnamdi Kanu described Nigeria. Say Nigeria now zoo. Ladies and gentlemen. What do you think about it? Are you still doubting say Nigeria not be zoo? I be Nigeria. In fact, na jungle. Because in fact, Charlie Boy don't call him jungle. But that same Charlie Boy don't go compromise with this same government. Since when they don't arrest this Showora, anybody see Charlie Boy? No. Because Charlie Boy have already compromised his life. No wonder when the money plenty, after they go say now because he's an actor, because he's a musician. When I see Charlie Boy today, no. So, waiting go make Nigerian government pay talks, make them go fight people when they protest for the release of Comrade Omoyele Sowore. I don't understand. Sometimes people talk about respect your elders. I don't know who is my elder there, and I don't know who I should respect there. Because if you need a respect, you have to respect yourself first. Buhari is not respecting himself, or Jubri, or Mama Daura, or Abakiare, or Shomole, or Sebanjo, all of them. These people, Arufai, Okorocha, everybody, when they inside these APC people, these people, they are gangsters, ladies and gentlemen. They are not responsible gentlemen. They are not responsible leaders. They are not responsible people. They don't deserve no single respect. Do you understand? Yesterday, all day before yesterday, though we don't make the video, but make I still add the matter inside this video. This man, what they call a T.Y. Danjuma, come out. The man came out. Come they tell the world, say, the people when be our problem. Now Yoruba people. The people when we get in that Nigeria when be our problem. Now the people that came from Oduduwa land. Say then now them be the people when be our problem. Now then compromise, though the same T.Y. Danjuma, they among the people when create all this mess put for granted. If he say he get waiting when he won't talk. If he say he get one kind of revelation when we never know before, when he won't let people know. The man no need to come out and say he get waiting in one talk. If he talk Nigeria no go sleep, or say Nigeria na whole, or blah blah blah. The man not supposed to come. He's supposed to come out direct. So Funky D they challenge you, T.Y. Danjuma. If you get anything when you want talk, and again, I they tell you say na ona be the problem when we get in that Nigeria. You no need to come out and tell people that you get what you want talk. You no need to. You just come out like the same way when Nnamdi Kanu come out boldly when he can expose Jubri. Just come out like that and say what you have to say. Because me personally, when be Funky D, I don't reason far and wide. Know the reason why T.Y. Danjuma came out last time. The man came out, ladies and gentlemen. The man came out to act because he knows say if he not talk that way, they no go call and come give and Ghana must go. If he not talk, they no go call him in Aso Rock, tell and say, oh God, what you want talk now? You want expose us? Or you can't carry like 3 Ghana must go. What? In billions. So that is why the man come out, because he won't make them call him, make him carry Ghana must go. Because if you get waiting you want expose, if you get waiting, if you think say you be responsible leader, when you get waiting you want tell Nigerian people, you go come out openly and say it. You say it openly, not be say you go come and come they tell Nigerian people say, I get waiting I want talk. If I talk, and just exactly the same way Okorocha did before. Up to today, Okorocha no, they are nothing. Nothing. They call Okorocha, they give him a certificate. Now this one now they come and so that then go call and come give and Ghana must go. That is why in come talk say, oh, if I talk, now what are you talking? What do you want talk when Nigerian people never know? Say, na una, T.Y. Danjuma, all of una, including the Dangote, all of una na Nigerian people problem. Then the man come warn the Yoruba people. Come tell Nigerian people, say, the problem when we get, we know say na Yoruba people, because none they can don't let the world know say, na Yoruba medias, na them be our problem. This guy where they call Shehu one day for Channel Television and the owner of Channel Television, na una be Nigerian people problem. So, T.Y. Danjuma don't call the, although even 2 days before the man came out, I don't already make video. When I come they tell, they ask Yoruba people say, waiting be their own problem. When be say they not fit stand up on their own. They not fit stand up to all these challenges when everybody they see koro. They not fit stand up to all this oppression. After 3 days when I make the video, ladies and gentlemen, Nahim, the leader of Afenifere, came out. Then T.Y. Danjuma came out. After 3 days when I don't post the video don't online there. Because I know say these people, then they hear us. And we will not relent until they allow Biafra to go. We will not relent until that country divides. We will not relent until we know where we are. We will not relent until this government, when they give us problem, when be Abakari, Mama Daura, until these people are arrested and put in jail. Now, Channel Television already, now them first carry the news, ladies and gentlemen, say the Showore group clash with pro-Buhari supporters. Who be pro-Buhari supporter? Na our money, our oil money, na him this government they take the brag. Na him keep this government alive. Na him keep this government today moving. Now our money, na him they sustain these people because they are full of propaganda. They not get roots. They not get boss. They are not living like leaders. They are all criminals. Every day we they hear things from different quarters and things that doesn't make sense, ladies and gentlemen. Now we hear from Buhari government. A situation where Nigerian people they hunger, nobody they feed, even they eat 3 square meal. People when they eat 3 square meal today, they know they feed eat them again. People when they eat 3 square meal before, today they know they even they fit eat 1 square meal again. And this situation, a president go come out, come they tell the world say he won't give free visa to, that is if you want come Nigeria, come, no problem. Like say you get one kind job where they don't create for grant. Like say you get one kind better thing where they don't put for grant. When those people now when one come they work in Nigeria. Or the job when they won't come they do in Nigeria. Or the good business when they won't do in Nigeria. All these things when they do, now to make sure say them destroy Nigeria completely. In fact, you go bow, say those people when they say they won't come from Niger, from Chad, from different places, maybe they come without visa, ladies and gentlemen. The government themselves, they don't write all their names, they know where they live. In fact, possibly they go give them house so that 2023, when the 2023 go come to stage, now those people then go recruit, come fight for them. So that they go still sit down in Asoros. So that they go still retain that power. So, a situation at the action and when be APC, people when they do peaceful protest, say make una release somebody when una hold unlawfully. Somebody when una detain unlawfully. Then they protest, not be say then they do violent. Peaceful protest. Now una don't go gang up. Go bring out some few elements. Pay them money, say make them go, they fight them. I not just understand. That is why they tell the whole world, say there is no people like IPOB worldwide. Because the reason why, because if now that kind of match, when IPOB people that they match, who born these people to come meet IPOB people? Say they won't fight them. Fear go let this group of people come out for us, say they won't challenge IPOB. They don't see say the protest what they do not be protest because we are not plenty. That is why that they get that guts to they come out to the attack on her. Like those people now where they see all the time when the whole world don't see. I mean the IPOB people where they don't see they protest on their own. They march in thousands. Fear go let even police, ladies and gentlemen. Not to talk of these miscreants when una they pay money, then they come and they raise sticks, say they won't kill somebody. Because they know say if they kill the G or they kill anybody there, nothing will happen because now government send them. Say make them go kill all those people. So Yoruba people now be our problem. Make una they fight for una Oduduwa. Now when I declare my own now, I don't say since I don't get too much patience for all this kind of thing, you know. That when now they cannot stand, now stand. You understand? I have my love for Sowore, I have my respect for Sowore. I am still supporting Sowore in anything where Sowore they do. Whether he become, he not become, I'm still supporting Sowore because I believe say that man have good ideas for Nigerian people. That is why I stand for Sowore. I wonder many of my brothers in on line, they don't accuse me say I be Yoruba man, I be this, I be that. I be Sowore brother because I show. I'm supporting Sowore's idea. Now I say we now want one Nigeria again. Make una allow Biafra to go. This one at the time when Biafra go leave Nigeria. And for those of you when never stand, when Nnamdi Kanu stand, make una come in mass to join in Nnamdi Kanu so that we go fit free ourselves from this bondage of this caliphate where we did today. We go fit free ourselves from the bondage of these northerners where we did. Because if we not allow all these northerners to continue to reign on top of us, ladies and gentlemen, Nigeria is doomed forever and ever. These people, they don't have any good thing. They don't have any good plan for nobody. The only thing what they know, not their own pocket. If these northerners, when they rule today, when they sense, they see they rule, they go. If there be better government, if there be better people, both the past and present ones, the northern part of Nigeria today will look like America. But because they are not good people, go see, go look. The only thing what the Sabi do now to bring out Boko Haram, to bring out herdsmen, to kill Nigerian people. Why there is hunger everywhere in Nigeria. And their people, they won't blame somebody. Make una rise up against una leader. Jubri de Abi Buhari. Abakari and Mama Daura did there. Una know where they dey. Una know their house. Una know their children. Una know everything. Make una go meet them. Sowore not be una problem. Nnamdi Kanu not be una problem. Igbo people not be una problem. Biafra not be una problem. Now una leader when they did there. These people when I don't call their names already. And for the Yoruba people, make una leave the Biafrans out of una Nigeria. Make una leave the Biafrans out of una agenda. Make una go fight for ourselves. If Yoruba people stand up the way when IPOB stand up, I know say that is why Danjuma, now you see call on say Yoruba people, Yoruba leaders, all of una na cowards. Now so Danjuma tell on say una be cowards. Now the thing when Danjuma can't tell us, say una know what thing they happen, but now una they patch they cover up everything when they happen in that Nigeria. Now, the architect with the cabas. Even before Dan Juma come out, we don't already know, say, Yoruba people, them be cowards. Yoruba leaders, them be cowards. OPC people, will not be coward. Afenifere people, will not be coward. Otoge people, anywhere when una day, Nigeria there, or any part of the world, una go to hear and say, una be cowards. God na una. Create all this mess, put for grant for Nigerian people. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, to T.Y. Danjuma, or whatever I call himself, Funkidi say, na una be the problem when we get. Whether you come out, you not come out, na una be the problem. If you really want to say something, you get in mind, say you want to tell your people as a leader, because you they claim say you don't owe, you not get anything to lose. Say that thing. Not tell people say you won't tell them in secret, make them come secretly, you go tell them in secret. No. Because when you the announce and say you won't come tell them in secret, you talk them openly in public. So talk that thing so that the world go know waiting day. Waiting they prevent you not to talk that thing. Even in the meeting, when you, in the conference, when you go talk this thing now when you talk. Waiting they prevent you not to tell Nigerian people waiting you say you won't tell them. That thing when go make Nigerian people not to sleep. Waiting they prevent you. Waiting prevented you not to say it that particular moment. If not be say you when be the Danjuma, you want make Buhari abi Jubri, Abakara Mamadara call you, can't give you Ghana Moscow because then go feel say this man want expose us to oh yeah, call the man. They'll just call him, give him money, the man go house, go relax. That is the game, Nigerian people. Danjuma not get anything to reveal. Where we stand, now we stand. We stand with Biafra. Danjuma not get anything to do or to say because now them spoil Nigeria. That man when be Danjuma, he don't dey among the government, now military man before. A top military man before. With the top secret, ladies and gentlemen. He don't work with all these Buhari, Babangida, Abacha, all of them. The man na billionaire. Ask him where he get the money. They say na oil block. You ain't Babangida. Abina Abacha. Giver. When them not get oil, make una see the intimidation whether they intimidate the southeast people or the southeasterners. They not get no oil. Even that one when they come tell us, say, oh, they don't discover oil in somewhere in Kaduna or Kano. Now, why you, ladies and gentlemen? Now they talk so that you go. They just want to feel relevant. Then now why you? They not get any oil. Now our oil now they share. All of them get oil block. But we when get the oil, we not get no oil block. Nobody get oil block. But not the whole Northerners and the whole Yoruba when they that country, all of them get oil block. So, ladies and gentlemen, this thing is too much. But the oppression where they oppress people is too much. To the extent these people, they go hire thugs. Go disrupt a peaceful protest. So, if na Lagos now, that's why the time I say, Yoruba people, they are coward. If na Lagos now, they for don't kill like 3 or 4 people. Arrest them. Police for don't shoot them well. If na Lagos, this thing happen. You say they arrest anybody, they arrest any Northerner, any Fulani man when do that protest. Or you hear any gunshot, you say they carry anybody. If na Southeast, the same thing. Therefore don't shoot, say they carry gun, they make this, they make that. That's why there is no point of being together with these Northerners. So ladies and gentlemen, I say my full-time support, 24-hour support to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now here, I go drop this message. Make sure say una share this video. Make sure say una share them. Then subscribe and then make sure say you press that button so that anytime when Funky D one uploads, you go first get my video. Now so the matter be, ladies and gentlemen, make T.Y. Danjuma can't tell una that thing when he talk say una no go fit sleep. If not something we don't know before, the man just come out because maybe una know their way. Now so it be. So one love everybody and see you next time. Funky D worldwide.